She's the one that bought the cabbage from her. She's a lady, a very beautiful business lady here in Nyabite, selling the cabbage. So guys, today is a market day, and I just came to book for someone. Okay, I'm going to Nairobi, and then I decided to pass here at the market. So this is a closing soon. Closing soon. Closing soon. Today you should be careful about the motorbikes. They're gonna gonga you. You have to be careful because hectic. There's a brief of market. There's a guest house. I need to cross the road. This look a big change at the market. Big change. The rain is coming, and the weather, the closing. Close. Now we are heading to holiday. Now the things are being maybe they look expensive, and the new things are wala ingia kwa kwana biashara kibiri tena ora chinya ni ndame gochika Time is running the elections. We have a lot of fruits today. End of the chapter. Clouded. Irengo kwa ati bibiti aya neri karara nana nani ili atrisi dai no van a ver oye timbo ati asengo bogore li stretching por mat na Yarang pay terus Mpeza.
Magani? Enamo.
Sira.
13. 94. 45.
45, 71. Here. 99. What are 50 chingi ma? And I'm on the vacancy. Rio Vali Bombaria no con. Area no te te con. Tridian. I rechange man. Rechange man. Lilian. He's checking on Mpeza. So guys, I'm from the market and I'm carrying cabbage over here. Today is another day that God has given us the gift of life. If you're outside there, my name is Grace Kelly. Thank you so much for your support always. Now we are heading home. We are heading home. I don't know if this truck is passing over here or it is standing. Okay. And this is the back street of our main road, our main highway. But then this is the back street. It's not that bad. And that's why I am wearing the open shoes. Even if the rain comes, nothing like mud gonna catch me. And the rain is over here. I think it is going to rain hectic. Cats and dogs. We used to say like that. It's going to rain cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. A brief tour. I managed to buy only cabbage, but because I had no money, I was not, because I passed over there. I never had even a carrier bag. See that motorbike? We have Mpeza always here. This is what I usually tell you, that if you have some kids, you have to plant all these. These are the Mpeza on the side of the road. It also protects soil erosion. If it rains, it's gonna protect soil erosion. Like. We have reached the rough road over here, and mostly you find this very green. The vegetation here, it is very green, and that's why we receive like a lot of rain, You see, even it rained yesterday, you see, the water has not dried up, and the dirty water. The dirty water. Schools are closed. This is what happens over here. The schools are closed. The rain is coming, guys, and I don't have an umbrella. It's raining. It's raining. Oi, Jesus. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. See. From the other side, this is how it is. After there, you go to the interior, and where the motorbike is heading to, that's going to town. Let me know in the comment section, guys. How is your village? The sun is glittering. It's over here. And I'm going to this side over here.